Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Apple ID and passwords for everyone. That avoids sign-in loops. Once done, open Settings on the Organizer iPhone, tap your name, then Family Sharing to view members. Make sure Share My Location and iCloud Drive are enabled for the organizer. These services authorize device linking. If a member is missing, tap Add Member and send an invite via messages. You do this now because invitations and location sharing establish the trust chain that family sharing needs to work. You next ensure each invited person accepts the family sharing invite on their own device. Without acceptance, features won't connect. After they accept, instruct them to sign into iCloud and enable iCloud Drive, purchases, and subscriptions. These toggles permit shared purchases and storage. Once toggled, restart each iPhone to force a sync, then return to Settings your name Family Sharing to confirm members show as active. This sequence resolves common permission propagation delays and lets shared services appear correctly. You finish by testing a shared item, download a free app, or view a shared album to confirm access. If someone shows pending, resend the invite or ask them to sign out and back into iCloud. That often fixes stuck invites. If problems persist, reset network settings or update iOS on all devices because connectivity and OS parity matter. One key tip: if nothing works, remove the person and re-invite. That forces family sharing to rebuild the connection cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.